the chameleon. They are unclean to you among all that creep. Whoever touches. But watch this. These also shall be unclean among you. Let me show you something. Let me come down on your level now. Let me help you. For those of you who are having dreams and you think it's cute. Oh, it's a mouse. A mouse visited me last night. A mouse visited me last night. Un gros rat. Passé par mon visite dans rêve hier soir. Rat ça était si tellement gros. My God. Listen, to those of you who are having dreams of these creeping animals or reptiles, cockroach. When you see cockroach in your dream, it means they are not clean and they spread what? Germs and eggs. If you dream and you see cockroaches in your house, the next day you wake up, you better anoint that house. If you see your house is infested in a dream with cockroaches, you are in deep trouble. Gecko, you know gecko, right? The little green lizard. They carry out debts and a poverty spirit, as well as setback. Gecko. Rats. Gadon rato. Rato. Mete matea. Mene mane. Pum kapap domiswa. Rats. They, when you see rat, the first thing you see, they destroying valuable things. Let me keep on reading in here. Rats destroying and eating things. Rats causes financial problems and financial trouble. Are you still listening to me in here? They cause closed doors and disfavor. If you have a dream, if you're looking for a job, you see a rat in your dream, most likely you won't get the job. Hallelujah. You will not find the job. Pig, dirty animal, spirit of pollution, living in sin, snails, stagnation. Si vous avez un calme dans le rêve, c'est un esprit, comment on dit ça même encore, en retard. Li font lent. Aïe, aïe, aïe. It makes things slow. But may the Lord open your eyes tonight. Because me, listen, I'll tell you when in June, we're going to have 2 nights calling sick nights. We're going to start service at midnight. A Thursday night and a Friday night. I'll show you how to have results in prayer. There's a reason why Jesus prayed early in the morning. Some of us, we think midnight is late. Midnight is day. Hello. Early in the morning. Why do they pray early in the morning? The reason why you have to pray early in the morning between midnight and 3, because you don't want to wake up for the greater light to have power over the lesser light. Because whoever wake up before you has advantage over you. Because curses are being released in the midnight hour. Continue to me. Listen to this problem. Hallelujah. When you see frogs in your dream, we're talking about poverty here. It means you will run into a big problem.